Stop scrolling muna. Kung palagi kang pagod kahit wala namang dahilan, biglang tumataba kahit nag-iingat ka na, magulo ang sleep, mood o cycle mo, hindi ka mahina. Hindi rin sira ang katawan mo. Your hormones might simply be out of balance. Ang problema, karamihan sa mga babae hindi tinuturuan paano alagaan ang hormones. Sinasabihan lang na tisin, maghintay o uminom ng gamot. Pero ang totoo, your body has been whispering signals for a long time. Hormone balance doesn't start with complicated solutions. Minsan, nagsisimula lang sa simple daily foundations like checking the right labs, stabilizing blood sugar, protecting sleep, lowering stress, at supporting your liver. Small daily choices can create big internal shifts. You deserve to feel clear, energized, and in control again. Kung nararamdaman mo ito, comment balance or DM me and let's talk. This is Nurse Verlaine, your health advocate queen saying, eat healthy, live wealthy.